Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories white border register book. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab, we will choose White Border. Next, we'll click the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the videos listed on the left-hand side. Once we're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer up to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. You'll see that we have two tabs that have generated in our PDF file. The first one is our picture insert page. This is generated separately because this is different dimensions than the rest of the book. At this point, we suggest that you scroll through each of the pages to make sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, we'll go to File, Print, and begin to change our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been chosen: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper, and we're going to flip on the long edge because this is a portrait template. We'll want to make sure that the document and page size match in both width and height. Next, we'll go into the Advanced Properties, and down at the bottom, we'll begin to make changes. As we saw on the previous page, the document size is actually 7.5 by 9, which is a custom size paper. So we will choose the custom paper size in our dropdown. The orientation is still portrait. The ink will be set to color. On the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Next, we have the paper type, and this will always be thick one to ensure that the ink will stay on the paper. Next, because this is a custom paper size, we will go into the detailed settings and choose our custom paper size here. I will type in the 7.5 by 9 dimensions needed for this document and hit OK. At this point, you can register your current settings to create a one-click preset. Do this by naming your preset here and clicking OK. This will create a shortcut for future use that will be shown inside the One-Click Presets tab. Once we're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.